Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix blocked account problem on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on apps, and it's going to take you to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for WeChat app. You just keep going here and you click here on WeChat, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on for stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down and you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window. Just click here on clear cache and you click here on clear data, and you will go to your Play Store. You just click here on Play Store and you search for WeChat. It's going to show for you like this, then it's going to show for you here update. You will click on update and it's going to update your app and fix your problem. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.